Hello friends, it's Macari's Cakes here and you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you all how to achieve a perfect white buttercream to frost your cakes. So let me ask you, are you having issues or have you been struggling to get this right? Then this video is for you. Sit back and enjoy the video. Everyone, so you're welcome to class. So this is my icing sugar or powdered sugar, and that's my shortening, my water, and my vanilla flavor, and my measurement spoons, measurement cup, and the spatula. So the first thing you need to do is cream your shortening first. The same way you cream your margarine, that's the same way you should cream your shortening until it's pale and fluffy. Now, there are different types of shortening. There's the Palmvita. There are different brands anyway, but I only have few on my head. I know of Palmvita and I know of Crisco. So you can actually use Crisco if you can't find the Palmvita and other brand I made mention about. Okay, so use it. Try to use a very quality shortening, because if your shortening has a awful taste, believe me, it's going to affect the taste buds of your customers. Okay, so make sure you get a very quality brand. And while you're busy creaming your shortening, try to make sure that you're always scraping down the sides of your bowl properly so that everything can be well incorporated. And then you add in some quantity amounts of powdered sugar. Yes, you add it gradually, like bit by bit. And then you add in 2 tablespoons of water. In fact, for this recipe, I used 250 grams of icing sugar. I used I think 63 grams of shortening. Then I used 4 tablespoons of water. So you need to get the recipe properly. I repeat myself again. I used 250 grams of powdered sugar, 63 grams of shortening, and then 4 tablespoons of water, and of course my vanilla flavor. So you keep on adding your icing sugar, add it to it until you exhaust everything. So when you add, you need to also add in your milk or water. You can use milk as well, you can use water, whichever one is okay by you, you can use it. But be careful not to over add it, because if you do, it's gonna get soft. Okay, it's gonna get soft, and when it's soft, you will not like the outcome of it. Trust me on this one, you will not like the outcome, and it's gonna make you add excess powdered sugar. Probably you tend using 500, and because you added too much water, you are going to use probably 550 grams of icing sugar to 600. This is because you added too much of liquid. So I hope you understand. So make sure you try to follow the recipe so that you can get it right. Also scrape down the side of your bowl properly. Okay, you can see the consistency of this white buttercream. We are gradually achieving a greater result from this white butter icing. Then you just can see the consistency, guys. Can you see how consistent it is? Like, it's lovely. It doesn't have this awful shortening taste of or smell. Yes, so I've just added in my final powdered sugar, and then I'm creaming. If you notice, I did not add any more liquid here again, because I felt like it's already too soft enough, like it's already perfectly okay. Do you understand? So imagine me adding more water or milk into this white buttercream. Now it's gonna make it too soft, and then now I have to add more extra icing sugar to it. Hope you guys understand this video perfectly. So I've added my flavor, and then I am creaming it again and again, so that to achieve that creamy texture that I need. And I'm also scraping down the sides of my bowl. You can see the consistency, guys. I love the consistency of this white buttercream. So if you try to make this recipe, use this recipe for your cakes, believe me, you are going to enjoy it. Yes, Maccabi said so. You are going to enjoy it. So the more you cream it, the more fluffy it becomes, and the more creamier it becomes. So I hope you understand this part of this video, guys. I hope you understand this part of this video, okay? So we are gradually coming to an end of how to make this perfect butter, how to make this perfect white buttercream for your cakes. You can use it for cupcakes. You can use it to sandwich your birthday cakes for your customers. For those that cannot afford the whipped cream part, even whipped cream is even much more cheaper than, as in based on the fact that things are expensive at the moment. Whipped cream is kind of cheaper, so but it all depends on how much shortening you're buying anyway. So whichever one your customers need. If they want white buttercream, this one is okay. If you don't want to use those buttercream that has this creamish color, if you don't want to use it, you can as well use your white buttercream. Also add lemon juice to achieve a better taste. Please add lemon juice. Lemon juice tastes so nice. It gives your buttercream a beautiful taste. Okay, so guys, we come to the end of the video, and I hope you got value from watching this video. If you have questions, you can ask me, and I'll definitely would answer you all. I love the consistency of this buttercream, guys. I love the consistency. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to your feedback. Thank you.